I'm plus a verb. I am wongeraho inshinga. When you add a verb, this I'm is followed by present participle. Iyo wongeyeho verb, iyi I'm iba ikurikiwe n'icyo bita present participle. Ni nk'ingirwanshinga. Ni present participle ni igihe ufashe verb. Present participle is when you add ing to a base form. Iyo ufashe i na ga ukabishyira ku muzi. Hello everybody! Muraho neza mwese! Welcome to English Fluency Center. Muhawe ikaze kuri English Fluency Center. This is your English teacher, Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Muri kumwe na mwarimu wanyu Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu hano mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I'm here to teach you how to speak English. Uyu munsi ndi hano kugira ngo mbigishe kuvuga Icyongereza. Now we are going to look at basic usage of I'm. Ubu ngubu nkaba ngiye kubigisha imikoresherezwe ya I'm. Ngiye kubigisha uko bakoresha I'm. Bivuga ngo ndi. Now, I am going to tell you 7 usage of I'm. Ngiye kubabwira uko wakoresha I'm mu buryo burindwi. Are you ready? Let's get started. Ese muriteguye? Mureke tujye mbere. Basic usage of I'm. Iburyo bw'ibanze dukoreshamo I'm. Uko mwumva mbivuze birahinnye. I'm is the contraction form of I am. I'm ni mpine ya I am. It is used in combination with other words. Ikoreshwa ikomatanyijwe n'andi magambo. To talk about or to tell someone about yourself. Kugira ngo wibwire undi muntu. Or to describe what you are doing. Cyangwa se kugira ngo ugaragaze ibyo urimo gukora. Okay, to tell someone about yourself. Iyo ubwira umuntu uwo uriwe cyangwa se wibwira umuntu, you can use words ending in ed. Ushobora gukoresha amagambo aherukwa cyangwa asozwa na e na da, cyangwa se or other words that are different from them, cyangwa andi magambo atandukanye nayo. Example, I'm tired. Urugero, ndananiwe. I'm confused. Mfite urujijo. I'm exhausted. Ndananiwe cyane. I'm retired. Nagiye mu zabukuru. I'm excited. Ndishimye birenze. N'andi magambo uzabona aherukwa na ed. Ubundi reka mbabwire ibanga ryiza ryo kwiga Icyongereza. Ntabwo wiga ijambo rimwe. Let me tell you one secret of learning English very fast. Don't learn a word, just learn a phrase. Ntukige ijambo rimwe, ahubwo jya wiga interuro, a phrase, combination of words. Ni ukuvuga wige urukomatane rw'amagambo. Urugero, amagambo abiri I na ni urukomatane rw'icyo bita subject ruhamwa ndetse n'inshinga kuba to be mu mpine. Iyo mbabwiye mu mpine ni ibintu bihinwa iri kuvuga. Iyo twandika turabirambura. I am mu buryo bwo kuvuga uwo uri we, ubwira umuntu uwo uri we, ni uko ikoreshwa. Ushobora kumubwira imyaka yawe. Urugero, I am 23 years old. Mfite imyaka 23 y'ubukuru. Ushobora kumubwira akazi kawe. I am a teacher. Ndi umwigisha. N'ibindi. I am can also be used in combination with a verb. I am ishobora no gukoreshwa ikombatanijwe inshinga to describe what you are doing. Ugaragaza icyo uri gukora. Example, urugero, I am teaching you English. Ndimo kubigisha Icyongereza. You are watching me. Murimo muranyitegereza bigisha. I am sitting here in front of the camera. Nicaye hano imbere ya kamera. Uri mu gikoni wavuga ngo I am cooking. Bivuga ngo ndatetse. Uri imbere y'ameza wavuga ngo I am eating. Bivuga ngo ndi kurya. Uri kuri vora wavuga uti I am driving a car. Ntwaye imodoka. N'ibindi. Now, let's continue to the usage of verb to be number 2. Noneho ubu mureke dukomeze turebe uko verb to be I am ikoreshwa mu buryo bwa kabiri. Now, number 2 is a variation of the use of verb to be plus in, at, and on. I am in, I'm at, and I'm on. Tugiye kureba noneho aho wongeraho aya magambo, utu turangagihe cyangwa uturanga ahantu. In ivuga ngo muri, at ivuga kuri, and on nayo ivuga kuri. Kuri biratandukanye. Hari kuri ivuga ahantu runaka, hakaba na kuri ivuga ku kintu runaka. At na ahantu runaka. On ni ku kintu runaka. Good. Let me start by I'm in. We use I am in. Reka ntangirire kuri I am in. Dukoresha I am in to express a physical location. Entering a physical location. Iyo tuvuga igihe wamaze kwinjira ahantu hagaragara, such as ariho, a room or a building, icyumba cyangwa inyubako. Nk'aha hantu ndi hitwa studio. Ubwo ngiye kubabwira ko ndimo. Ndabwira ngo I am in a studio. I'm in a studio. Ndi muri studio. Nimba ndi mu biro nzavuga nti I am in the office. Nimba ndi mu modoka nzavuga nti I am in a car. Nimba muri salo aho turebera televiziyo hahandi mwicara bahita sitting room, nzavuga ngo iki I am in a sitting room. Ndi mu ruganiriro. N'ibindi. Noneho turebere hamwe at. Ngira ngo wumvise iyo in uko ikoreshwa. At is used to express a physical general location, to describe where you currently are located. Ikoreshwa ivuga ahantu, uvuze physical location ahantu runaka. You are currently aho uri ubu ngubu tuvugana. Aho hantu haba ari general. Uraza kukwibaza bitandukanye n'ayindi twavuze. Yayindi aba ari ahantu winjiye ukaba urimo. Mu gihe ngiyi ari ahantu ugiye, aho hantu runaka ni ahantu ariko hari general, hari rusange. mu gihe yari physical, yari specific yihariye. Urugero nshobora ngo I am at home, ndi imuhira. I am at work, ndi ku kazi. I am at school, ndi ku ishuri. I am at the mall, ndi ku isoko. I am at the bank, ndi kuri bank. N'ahandi hantu uzagenda ubona amagambo uzi gukoresha ibyongeraho I'm at. Noneho rero tugiye kurebera hamwe I'm on, uko bakoresha ngo ndi kuri. We usually use I am on in combination with the place, something that you are utilizing your force. Ni igihe uri gukoresha imbaraga zawe on ku kintu runaka. Iyo uvuga imbaraga uri gukoresha ku kintu, something you are utilizing force on. Ikintu uri gukoresha imbaraga ni ukuvuga uri kugikoresha. Urugero, iyo ndi kwitaba telefone ndi kwivugiraho ndavuga ngo I'm on the phone, ndi kuri telefone, bivuze ngo ndi kuvugana n'umuntu. Iyo ndi kuri mudasobwa ndi gutypinga ndavuga ngo I am on the computer. Iyo ndi muri bisi ndavuga ngo iri kugenda ariko I am on the bus. Cyagihe umuntu aguhamagara ukavuga uti ndi muri bisi. At the time somebody calls you. Igihe umuntu aguhamagaye. When you are just on the way heading somewhere, that's a bus, okay? Transporting you somewhere. Iyo bisi iri kukujyana ahantu runaka vuga uti I am on the bus. Nuko rero I'm on ikoreshwa uri gukoresha ikintu. Tugiye kureba indi ya gatatu. We are going to look at the third usage of I'm. I'm plus a verb. I'm wongeraho inshinga. When you add a verb, this I'm is followed by present participle. Iyo wongeyeho verb, iyi I'm ibikurikiwe n'icyo bita present participle. Ni nk'ingirwanshinga. Ni present participle ni igihe ufashe verb. Present participle is when you add ing to a base form. Iyo ufashe i na ga ukabishyira ku muzi. Muzi ni cya ginshinga itariho datondaguye iri yonyine idafite na to. Twavanyeho to, urugero to do. Vanyeho to, do ngiye gushyiraho ing. Bivuga gukora, doing. Icyo gihe ni gukoresha ngo I am. Ikintu rero I am plus a present participle is used to describe what you are doing. I am ikurikiwe na present participle cyangwa se verb ikurikiwe na ing. Uvuga icyo uri gukora. Nigeze kubibabwira bwa mbere, uravuga uti I am doing, ndi gukora. Urugero, I am speaking, ndi kuvuga. Okay, fashe na telefone navuga ngo I am calling, ndimo ndahamagara. Mfite ibiryo navuga ngo I am eating, ndi kurya. Ikintu uzajya uri gukora cyose ntukavuga uti I am to go. Numvise abantu bakora amakosa akavuga ati I am to go. Oya, to ivanamo igiro ing form. I am going. Ndibuze kubigisha n'ahantu bakoresha going mu buryo buhinnye. Reka twe gutinda kuri iyi ikurikirwa n'inshinga ariyo ifite ing form, kuko mwamenye icyo bivuga, bisobanuye icyo urimo gukora uyu mwanya uvuga. Reka tujye ku ya kane. Let's go on with number 4, usage of I am. I am getting. Ese waba uzi ijambo getting icyo bivuga? Ukoresha I am getting bigahita bivuga icyo bita present continuous, bivuga ikintu kirimo kujya mbere cyangwa kiri kuba. I am getting wongera icyo kintu igihe urimo kugishaka. When you are trying to find out, when you gain a possession, When you obtain something, igihe ubonye ikintu cyangwa kugerageza kubona ikintu, nibwo ukoresha I am getting. Ngiye kugerageza gushaka kubabwira ibintu ndi kugerageza gukora. I'm trying to speak English. Bivuze ngo ndi kugerageza kuvuga Icyongereza. I am trying to drive. Ndi kugerageza gutwara imodoka. I'm trying to cook. Ndi kugerageza guteka. I'm trying to sing. Jesus. I am trying to sing. Ndimo kugerageza kuririmba. N'ibindi bikorwa uzajya uri kugerageza gukora, ubigenza gutyo ubanza uti I am trying, wongereho to ushyire icyo gikorwa. Let us continue. Tugiye ku kanyuma, we are going to see the last usage of or combination of I am and another expression. Tugiye kongera turebere hamwe iya nyuma ukoresha hamwe na I am ushaka kugaragaza ikiri kuba. Iya nyuma irazwi cyane, iravuga ngo I'm gonna. Ni ijambo rizwi cyane. Ese mwamenye icyo rivuga? Dukoresha I'm gonna, but yo tuvuga when you speaking. But gonna is incorrect grammatically. Gonna ntabwo aba ari byo mu gihe cy'ikibonezamvugo. Gonna ni amakosa kuyandika imyandikire. Because gonna is informal. Ni ikoreshwa mu kuvugana n'inshuti zawe. Gonna is the short form of I'm going. Ni impine y'ijambo cyangwa se y'imvugo I am going, bivuga ngiye cyangwa ndimo kujya. Icyo ugiye gukora rero gonna yo ntushyiraho to, mu gihe going haba hariho to. Urugero ngiye kuvuga ngo ngiye gutega bisi. I'm gonna take a bus. Ngiye gutega bisi. I'm gonna go home. Ngiye gutaha. I'm gonna call Betty. Ngiye gutelefona Betty. Nta bindi byinshi ndi barengerezeho, ikintu usabwa gukora nagihe umenya akantu ujya ugakubitaho ngaho nyuma kuri I'm gonna, tukaba dusoje the basic usage of I am. Tugeze ku musozo w'imikoreshereze ya I am. Dear YouTube followers, nshuti bakurikira YouTube, or especially those who are following me at English Fluency Center. By'umwihariko mwebwe munkurikiye hano kuri English Fluency Center, I wish you all the best. Mbifurije byiza cyane. And for now, I should say tata for now. Ariko ubu reka mbivuze nti tuzongera. This is the end of our lesson. Until next time. Hano dusoje isomo na utaha.